Good morning everyone. Today we will study about the two physical quantities, distance and displacement. As we have already done that distance is the scalar quantity as it requires magnitude to describe it only, whereas displacement is vector quantity as it requires magnitude as well as direction to explain it. Further, according to the definition, distance is total length of the path covered by moving object from initial to final position, whereas displacement is the shortest path between the initial and final position of the moving object. Third, distance is equal to or always greater than the displacement, whereas displacement is equal to or always less than distance. Distance is always positive, but displacement can be positive, negative, or zero. Now, let us understand these properties of distance and displacement with the help of examples. First, object started its journey from point O and reached at A. Here, initial point is O and final point is A. Now, let us calculate the distance and displacement. Distance equals to total path, that is O to A, equals to 10 meter. Displacement, shortest path from final to initial point, so that is also OA, equals to again 10 meter. So here we have seen distance and displacement are equal, but the condition object is moving in straight line and in one direction only. Second, object started from O, reached at B, then turns back to A. Here initial point O, final point A. Now the distance means total length covered by the object OB plus AB means 15 plus 5 equals to 20 meter. Displacement is the shortest path, means initial point O, final point A. The shortest path from initial to final point is OA. So let us calculate OB as it turns back minus BA equals to 15 minus 5 equals to 10 meter, that is equals to OA. So here we have seen distance is greater than displacement. So this point that distance is equal to or always greater than displacement is clear. Third, object started from O, reached at A and then turned back to O again. Here initial point is O, final point is also O, means initial and final point are same. Now the displacement O to A, OA plus AO, that is 10 plus 10 equals to 20 meter. Now the displacement OA as it turns back minus AO as it is a vector quantity and direction matters. So 10 minus 10 equals to 0 meter. So here we have seen displacement is 0 when initial and final position of moving object coincide or initial and final points are same. Last one, object started from O, reached at A, then turned back to O and moved further to point B. Here initial point O and final point B. Distance, total path covered, that is OA plus AO plus OB. 10 plus 10 plus 2 equals to 22 meter. Displacement OA as it turns back minus AO minus OB, that is 10 minus 2 equals to minus 2 meter. So here displacement is negative. So this point is clear that as we have seen in all these examples, distance is always positive, but displacement can be positive, 0 and negative. That's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.